Hello, the Phoenix Wolf here. Today we are looking at my setup for the same system B-Dubs has set up for his Industrial TNT. After watching his episode just a few minutes ago, I decided to jump on and make this real quick because I'm not sure if he's aware what these certain blocks I used are added into the game yet, but since the pack updated Monday this week, today's Wednesday, these have been added in the game that make it pretty fun and what you can do with them. It's from Zycraft, so now Zycraft isn't just some useless blocks mod for decoration. They had this block called the Fabricator. As you see right there, it appeared right there. What it does is pull out of adjacent inventories into this table, which is pretty much a crafting table, an automatic crafting table. And it's really quick. It pulls from any adjacent inventory, and what's neat about it is it can pull from another fabricator. So what it does is this fabricator right here is set up with making TNT. This one's set up with making industrial TNT. So this one is pulling from the pulverizer, making sand, and here where the gunpowder is. I need to put some gunpowder in there. And so that's doing that. Now this fabricator is pulling from this fabricator, which is making the TNT, to put it in here, as well as pulling from the macerator right next to it. And the only pipe I used in this system is this one right here, the emerald pipe, with a gate on it to pump it out automatically. And on this pipe, it has filters, so I put an industrial TNT right here so it doesn't pull out anything else that is in this. It shouldn't have anything else in here because it is pulling from adjacent inventories, everything that it's using. But just in case, I put that right there. And what's neat about these is, here, let me clear this. You just right click to clear it. You can look up the recipes in NEI. So TNT. You just look up the recipe, and then when you hit the question mark to do it, like if you're going to do it in the crafting table for the recipe, just do that, and it puts it over here and automatically starts crafting what shows up right here in this section right here. And over here, to make it more compact, to make it so I don't have to use any kind of pipes or anything except for that one emerald pipe, I put, just like he has, is the igneous extruder going down into the pulverizer, and the pulverizer is pushing the sand out into that fabricator and pushing the gravel down into this item tester rack, which is going up to right here and pushing it down to the macerator. And then I just have the macerator set up to make the flint and hold on to it. And since this is so much faster than the pipes going through, it actually has made, I've only set this up maybe and got it working 10 minutes ago, maybe 10-15 minutes ago, and it's already made 20 industrial TNT. So let me go ahead and put some more gunpowder in this, and we'll see it running. Let's put a few stacks in here, and see, it's already pulled out a bunch to make some more. And as it gets, not sure, did this run out again? Nope, it's still going. And it's just for fun, throw some gravel in here. And even if, I was thinking about it too, even if B-Dubs starts doing that grinder he talked about, this will also work for that. You just need to put it right in place of this macerator and it should work. And it could even be on the other side with this setup, how I have it right here. As long as these two are touching, it'll work. There we go, got 6, pumped it out. Oop, I need to put the gate back. But I just set it to redstone signal off and energy pulsar. That should pump stuff right out. And see, just in that time, now I have 32 instead of 20. So that is my kind of compact design to B-Dub's design that he's using on the server. If he sees this will be a great thing to know. And if he does see this, I'm going to go ahead and show the recipe for the fabricator, even though he can look it up himself. But for you guys that don't know, you use a crafting table, iron ingot, stone, a blue engineering brick, which is stone bricks, redstone, and blue zycoridite. And blue zycoridite, all you do is get the zycorium crystals, the Zycraft crystals, and smelt them into the ingot. So that is very easy to make that, and they're really useful. So, I had a cough there for a second. But down there is where I was just trying to test out if I can pump into the fabricator itself with just using a test rack down here next to the chest. But it does not work. It does need items actually flowing into the test rack in order for it to go into the fabricator. But yeah, this is a very compact design, very easy to replicate. All you need is some test racks, make these machines, and a very easy recipe for that. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.